One of my favorite activities is actually called Memory Match. And even though it's cute and it has zoo animals, it actually could be used with fifth graders as well, because you can put vocabulary words and definitions and so on. To find the memory match, I'm going to click on the plus sign and go to where it says Start an Activity. And you'll notice that if you're on the desktop version, you most likely won't see memory match. I believe this is just online for now, but if I click on memory match, all I have to do is type the word on the left and what it matches with on the right. And I can also use pictures if I wanted to. So if I put the letter A on this side, I could add a picture on the right that would be a picture of maybe an apple. But I'm going to go ahead and make a couple cards here. So let's put apple, and then I'll put the letter A, and then I'll put banana, put the letter B, cat, and the letter C, and so on. But like I said, you could use this for more upper level. You could put states of matter, or you could put science terms like what is an ocean, and on this side you could go ahead and put the definition of an ocean. So it could be more advanced if you like. But when I click finish, you'll see what this is going to look like. And it's like that old school memory game where you click on one card to flip it over, and you click on the other one, try to find a match. So if I preview it, I can see what it will look like. And the kids will flip a card over. And cat, so I need to find the one that has a C. Nope, that didn't match. And so on. Perfect. When I'm finished, I'm going to go ahead and give it a title. So I'm just going to call this letter match. And then I'm going to click finish editing, and what that will do is put it in my library, and I can come down here to start it.